How cool is this
Sound.
shirt?
What's on it?
Power of positive students with the, is it underarm? No, the Arm & Hammer.
Under.
Look at that flubber.
You just worked out. It's not flubber.
We did some sit-up on that stupid sit-up machine, and I don't think it works because Vanessa's like, it works.
That's Vanessa.
Teresa was trying to dance yesterday.
No, it wasn't.
When you were in the room,
Oh.
you came in and you were dancing.
I had this song stuck in my head. I don't remember what it was. Oh yeah, I remember. It goes like this. I just remember the part. Jump up.
Jump up. No.
Before that.
No.
The Apache song?
Jump on it. Jump on it.
Yeah.
That one.
The Apache song. It was like probably different.
We should.
I got a lot of energy in this workout. Wait, why are you taping that?
You just realized that now.
I don't care, nobody knows who I am.
But the people down the hall do.
Word up, mother.
Word to your mother.
I can't do it. I can't be serious.